Since the 2013-2014 Euromaidan revolution, the Ukrainian national anthem has arguably become Ukraine's most popular piece of music. 15 years ago, on March 6, 2003, Ukraine's Verkhovna Rada officially adopted the lyrics that we know today. It's now played to open and close each parliament session. The words, though, were written more than 150 years ago by Pavlo Chubinsky. Because of his work, the author was sent into exile for 7 years. But the patriotic text came to the attention of priest and composer Mikhailo Verbitsky, who wrote music to it. In 1917, the short-lived Ukrainian People's Republic adopted the piece as its anthem. But the Soviets did away with both the anthem and an independent Ukraine when the USSR took power. However, with its independence in 1992, Ukraine makes sure the anthem greets all visiting leaders of state. It's not all politics. The anthem also inspires Ukrainian athletes to win. It's sung in stadiums around the world during football matches, wherever a Ukrainian team is playing. And it's not just for Ukrainians. The lines of the anthem have been translated into many different languages.
Glory, Spirit of Ukraine, shines and lives forever. Blessed by fortune, brotherhood, we'll stand up together.
There's even a rock version. And during the Euromaidan revolution, the anthem became a symbol of the unification of people throughout Ukraine. At the beginning of the annexation of Crimea by Russia in 2014, outnumbered, Ukrainian soldiers armed only with the words of the anthem pressed Russian servicemen to let them pass. And of course, the anthem has been carried into battle. In 2015, Ukrainian cyborgs defending the Donetsk airport went to the last battle singing the Ukrainian anthem. And as long as there are Ukrainians and a Ukraine, the anthem will be the sound of defiance.